I am the embodiment of instant manifestation. I am a vibrational match to everything I desire. I am living proof that time is an illusion. I am the version of me who gets everything I want when I want it. I am always manifesting in real time. I am the creator of my reality. I am the one who decides how fast it shows up. I am tuned to the frequency of now. I am receiving as fast as I decide. I am starting to believe that creating instantly is easy for me. I am starting to believe that creating on a time crunch is effortless for me. I am aligned, coherent, and clear. I am a magnet to immediate results. I am allowing Source to deliver without delay. I never worry about the time because I always get what I want when I want it. I am always in alignment with rapid change. I am worthy of instant blessings. I am constantly collapsing time through my belief. I am no longer available for waiting. I never wait for my desire. I am no longer playing small with time. I am calibrated to receive instantly. I am the identity that already has it. I am claiming it now. I am feeling it now. I am living it now. I am the cause, and my reality is the effect. I am no longer rehearsing lack or delay. I am embodying the energy of having. I am showing up as the version of me who gets what they want now. I am choosing certainty over doubt. I am choosing embodiment over effort. I am the one who quantum leaps with ease. I am confident in my ability to shift fast. I am no longer waiting for proof. I am the proof. I am not hoping. I am knowing. I am walking with unshakable trust. I am trusting the invisible more than the visible. I am already connected to the outcome. I am beyond time. I am the timeline jumper. I am always an energetic match to whatever I desire. I am no longer hoping things work out. I am knowing things work out. I am already there. I am aligned with the timeline where everything I desire is already done. I am allowing miracles on demand. I am safe receiving quickly. I am safe allowing big things to happen fast. I am fully available for my desires to manifest instantly. I am tuned into the now frequency. I am a living magnet for accelerated manifestation. I am living in a reality where it always works out for me, fast. I am powerful beyond logic. I am limitless in how fast I can receive. I am aligned with the quantum speed of desire. I am already experiencing the shift I am now living in the state of it's done. I am in the state of it's already mine. I am in the energy of this gets to be easy. I never worry about the time because instant manifestation is easy for me. I am instant manifestation in motion. You are no longer seeking. You are no longer hoping. You are becoming. You are knowing. And you are receiving. Lead your day from this truth. You already have it.